What if you could rebuild collagen, smooth wrinkles, and strengthen your joints, all while you sleep? If you're over 50, nighttime is your most powerful window to reverse signs of aging. But it only works if you're giving your body the right fuel before bed. In this video, we reveal the #1 nighttime drink that helps your body naturally rebuild collagen while you rest. Plus 3 other powerful options you can rotate for smoother skin, better sleep, and a stronger, healthier you. Stick around to the end for the bonus tip that turns any of these drinks into a true overnight collagen booster. Why night is the best time to rebuild collagen. During deep sleep, your body switches from protection to repair. That's when growth hormone is released, cells regenerate, and collagen synthesis begins. But if your body doesn't have the nutrients it needs, that natural repair cycle falls short, especially after 50. When collagen declines rapidly and stress, poor sleep, or a processed diet can accelerate the damage. By drinking the right combination of amino acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds at night, you give your body what it needs to rebuild, restore, and glow from the inside out. Drink #1, bone broth with lemon, the collagen classic. Bone broth is the gold standard of collagen-rich drinks. When made properly, it contains gelatin, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact amino acids your body uses to build collagen. It also contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus that support bones and joints. Drinking a warm mug of bone broth before bed helps. Support deep, restorative sleep thanks to glycine. Provide raw materials for skin and joint repair, calm digestion, and reduce inflammation. Hydrate your body overnight. For added absorption, squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon juice. The vitamin C helps your body convert amino acids into collagen. Choose organic grass-fed bone broth if buying pre-made, or simmer your own at home using chicken or beef bones, herbs, and apple cider vinegar. Drink #2, collagen. Peptides in chamomile tea, the skin-soothing blend. Collagen peptides are hydrolyzed, meaning they're broken down into small chains your body can absorb quickly. They're tasteless, odorless, and dissolve easily in warm liquids, making them perfect for bedtime. Chamomile tea is known for its calming effects, but it also contains apigenin, an antioxidant that may support skin regeneration and reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down collagen. To make: brew a cup of chamomile tea. Stir in 1 scoop, about 10 Gs, of unflavored collagen peptides. Add a few drops of lemon or a slice of ginger for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Drink this 30 to 60 minutes before bed to help your body relax, repair, and rebuild while you sleep. It's a simple, powerful combo that supports both your skin and your sleep quality. Drink #3, golden milk with turmeric, the anti-inflammatory collagen ally. Golden milk, also known as turmeric milk, is a warm drink made with plant or dairy milk, turmeric, black pepper, and optional spices like cinnamon and ginger. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory elixir, perfect for anyone over 50 dealing with joint stiffness, skin aging, or sluggish healing. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, helps reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to collagen breakdown. Adding black pepper boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. You can also stir in a scoop of collagen peptides for a total skin and joint healing drink. To make: heat 1 cup of unsweetened almond or oat milk. Stir in 1/4 sip turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of cinnamon. Add 1 sip honey, optional. Mix in collagen peptides once the liquid is warm, not boiling. Sip it slowly. The warmth, spices, and amino acids all signal your body to shift into healing mode. Drink #4, aloe vera and cucumber juice, the skin hydrator. If you tend to wake up with dry skin, stiff joints, or bloating, this one's for you. Aloe vera juice contains polysaccharides that support tissue repair and hydration. It also helps improve gut lining integrity, essential for absorbing collagen. Cucumber juice adds silica, a trace mineral that plays a role in collagen synthesis and elasticity. Together, they hydrate your cells, reduce inflammation, and prep your body to rebuild overnight. To make: blend 1/2 cucumber with 1/2 cup of pure aloe vera juice. Add water and a squeeze of lime for taste. Optionally stir in a few mint leaves or a pinch of Himalayan salt. Drink this chilled about 1 hour before bed. It's especially good in warmer months, or if you prefer a refreshing, non-caffeinated option before sleep. Bonus tip: what to add for extra collagen power. Want to turn any of these drinks into a collagen super tonic? Add one or more of the following: fresh lemon juice or vitamin C powder, critical for activating collagen. Ceylon cinnamon reduces blood sugar spikes that break down collagen. Ginger, anti-inflammatory and gut-soothing. Ashwagandha or magnesium supports deep sleep and hormone balance. Raw honey provides antioxidants and sleep-supporting sugars in small amounts. The goal isn't just to take collagen, it's to create the ideal environment for your body to use it while you rest. How these drinks improve skin, joints, and sleep. By drinking collagen-supportive beverages before bed, you provide essential amino acids at the exact time your body rebuilds, enhance sleep depth, which improves skin repair, reduce overnight dehydration that leads to wrinkles, calm inflammation and oxidative damage that break down collagen, support gut health, which improves nutrient absorption and overall healing. It's not just about what you drink, it's about when you drink it. Nighttime gives your body the perfect opportunity to recover, regenerate, and glow. What to avoid before bed that blocks collagen. To get the most from your bedtime routine, avoid the following in the evening. Refined sugar spikes insulin and damages collagen through glycation. Caffeine after 2 p.m. interferes with deep sleep cycles. Alcohol dehydrates skin and blocks natural hormone repair. Late-night eating disrupts digestion and repair processes. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin and slows healing. Your nighttime environment should be low light, low stress, and full of gentle support for your body's natural rhythms. Sample bedtime collagen routine. Here's a sample wind-down ritual you can start tonight. 8 p.m. Shut down screens, dim the lights. 8:15 p.m. Brew chamomile tea with collagen peptides. 30 p.m. Sip slowly while reading or journaling. 9 p.m. Apply natural skincare with facial massage. 9:30 p.m. Get in bed with blackout curtains and silence. p.m. Deep restorative sleep begins, and collagen builds. Do this consistently, and your skin, joints, and energy will thank you. You don't need to spend a fortune on anti-aging products. Just give your body the nutrients it needs, at the time it needs them most. Drinking bone broth, chamomile with collagen, golden milk, or aloe cucumber juice before bed gives you a powerful, natural way to rebuild collagen while you sleep. It's simple, it's soothing, and over time it works. Start tonight. Your skin, your sleep, and your health will feel the difference. Thanks for watching Better Health Over 50. Subscribe for more natural anti-aging tips, healing routines, and collagen-rich lifestyle habits to help you age beautifully, without expensive treatments or gimmicks.